Hello, my name is Jussi Nummela and I'm from the company called Riffit. Riffit is an RFID company which provides all kind of RFID services. Our consultancy services cover almost all kind of RFID related stuff, including service, tests, training, education, anything what can be imagined. The other part of our operation is system providing. We provide comprehensive RFID systems including hardware and software. All hardware meaning readers, tags, handheld readers, anything, antennas, cables, anything is included. And the software can be integrated in your existing systems or it can be done independently without integration. Thanks.